Right now, I am standing in my future pantry, and I want to be able to access it right through this wall. But obviously, I can't unless I cut a hole in here and frame a rough opening for a door. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. And I want to start out this video with this very important information, is that your situation could be completely different from mine, depending on what you have to deal with as far as electrical or pipes, or how your house is framed, how much weight you're supporting, how wide you're making the door. You may have to engineer a beam to go in here instead of conventional lumber like I'm going to be using. So it all depends on your situation. This 2x4 wall, and I'm making a 28-inch opening, about 30 or 30 and a half rough opening, so that I can put a door in here if I want to, or I could do a cased opening. When I say a load-bearing wall, what I mean is the way my house is framed, the ceiling joists, or also the floor joists for the floor above. This wall is supporting them right in the middle. There's a break with those joists, and the difference between a load-bearing wall and a non-load-bearing wall is you can't just start taking studs out of this thing and hope that the floor above or the ceiling above is just going to stay there. That's not the case. Usually with a non-load-bearing wall, you can do that, but not with this. So that is the first thing you need to understand about cutting a hole open in a load-bearing wall. It needs to be supported properly. So I definitely have a mess to clean up, but I have a new rough opening in a load-bearing wall. Again, do what works for you. Be safe. Make sure you support it the right way. Get this engineered if you have to. Don't play with live electricity if you're not confident doing so. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you had to do something like it, I hope it helped. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.